Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure power is sufficient. Earbuds in case need charge so the pairing process won't abort. Once done, enable Bluetooth on your phone and stay close, within a meter, so signal discovery is reliable. Open the charging case and press and hold the small pairing button for about 3 seconds until the indicator flashes. That tells the WF-1000XM5 they're discoverable. After the LED blinks, immediately switch to your phone's Bluetooth list to locate and begin pairing, which is the next step. Once the earbuds appear on your phone, tap WF-1000XM5 to connect. You may see a confirmation dialog. Accept it. Next, open or install the Sony Headphones Connect app because it finalizes pairing, checks for firmware updates, and configures adaptive noise controls. This step improves stability and audio quality. Make sure to allow Bluetooth and location permissions when the app asks, since those let the app find and manage the earbud profile. After the app finishes setup, verify the connection in your phone. Finish by playing audio and making a quick call to confirm left and right channels and the mic work. Adjust volume and latency in your media app if needed. Then open Sony Headphones Connect to personalize touch controls, active noise cancellation, and ambient sound so the earbuds behave as you expect. If the earbuds don't pair, reset them by holding the case pairing button for 10 seconds or follow the app's reset option. After the reset, repeat the pairing sequence from the beginning to restore a clean connection.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.